Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about PDF editor on Android phone. And in this video, I will show you how to flatten your PDF with this particular PDF editor without any stress. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your PDF editor. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on Rotate PDF. Go ahead and click on Open. This allows you to upload your PDF file. Next thing we want to do is to go ahead and make sure you choose your PDF document. I'm going to select this document right here, and it's going to take you right here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on here to turn on this particular button right here. Then go ahead and set your password. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on Done. Then select your file destination. So I'm going to save it in Documents. Now click on OK. Successfully saved. Next thing I'm going to do right here is to go ahead and enter the password. Click on Unlock. Now you have access back to the PDF right there. How can you save it as Flatten PDF? For that, go ahead and make sure you click on here. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on Save as Flatten PDF. Saved successful. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and enter the password right here. Hit on Unlock. Now we have it right here. The next thing we want to do is to go ahead and exit from here. Then we can go and check the file on our file manager. So I'm going to go ahead and open my file manager right here. Then I'll go to Browse. I'll go to Documents. Then I'll go to PDF. Now here we go. We have it right here. So I'm going to go ahead and click on it to open the Flatten PDF. Then until I enter the password and hit on Unlock. Lastly, let me quickly show you on how to get this particular powerful PDF editor. I'm going to exit from here, then go ahead and open up my Google Play Store. Then you want to make sure you click on Search. Come to Search App and Game and type in this particular System PDF editor. This is the PDF editor right here. Make sure you download and install this particular PDF editor and start editing your PDF for free with your Android phone. It's that simple. For more useful tutorials like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.